Today's video is sponsored by I don't know what I'm doing and a million falls. You ready? Anyway, we decided to go on a long weekend trip and visit Colorado's ski scene, even if we know nothing about skiing. Sounds like a great time, right?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kevin.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are in Breckenridge, Colorado.
Today we're cross-country skiing. Woo! Getting our skis wet. Yeah!
Bye. I don't know how people do it, but I am 100% exhausted. However, it is very fun. Skiing's supposed to be done on your feet.
I'm trying.
What happened?
I was going very fast in that curve and then I just lost control.
I think he was going a whole 2 miles an hour. No, it was actually a pretty fast curve.
Yeah.
Are you ready for downhill skiing?
Probably not. If I can't handle this hill, I don't know if I can handle that.
That hill, huh? All right, Nathan, you can do this. Okay, so I am not the best at skiing, but I'm gonna show you an attempt on turning. I have seen people just opening their legs as wide as they can and then pointing at the direction the turn is in. So hopefully that works for me, but we'll see. All right, I'm scared.
I don't handle the forward momentum very well.
Just use the technique I just showed you.
I cannot turn.
Point. He didn't point. It looks like Nathan is too.
To what?
Exhausted.
I'm a little tired, yeah.
Tired of falling, probably.
We're at the Nordic Center. We're absolutely lost. We haven't seen a sign in like probably dozens of miles.
Yeah.
I feel like we're filming the Blair Witch Project.
Oh, thank goodness there's a map. Well, that was fun. The last time we cross-country skied was in Quebec, Canada, and it was pretty fun. However, I know that tomorrow I'm gonna be super sore.
I might not even wait until tomorrow. We are headed over to Orem Food and Wine. It is in Breckenridge. We're gonna have some dinner, and then we're gonna call it a day. It's been exhausting.
You probably can't tell, but there are tons of little dots going down the hill. Today's a day. We're snowboarding. I hope we don't break anything. We are totally beginners. This is where we're starting. Alright, I put on my snowboard. Now what?
I think he's gonna plan to go down the entire thing like that. Oh no, he's standing up. Okay. Today we're snowboarding in Keystone. As part of our Epic Pass, we can use the chairlift all day. We rented from Keystone Sports. We got snowboards, giving them a try. I do like them more than skis. We're by the mountain home parking and the beginners area. Very convenient for us.
It's starting to snow.
An Epic Pass gives you access to exclusive benefits at ski resorts around the world. It is up to you to decide what's important for you when skiing and for how long. We will leave the link to their website in the description down below if you want to check them out. We did find the Epic Pass to be very useful, but their website was not very user-friendly.
Here comes Nathan. Oh my gosh, he's gonna hit me.
Hey!
Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. I don't think it's possible to not squint here. Anyway, we are going to go back to the hotel right now because Nathan got into an accident.
Yeah, I may have broken a rib. I'm in a lot of pain. Somebody had wiped out and turned right in front of me and flew very dramatically. So I had to stop abruptly and it didn't end well.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have that on camera. Other than that, did you like your experience today?
Yeah, I found out I love snowboarding. It's a lot of fun, a lot better than skiing especially. But I did have some trouble on the beginner's hill because there are just people that really pay no attention to what anybody else is doing.
Yeah, and he really wanted to go over there in that really high one, but I don't think I'm ready for that.
Whilst we were in Colorado, we stayed in Leadville. Boy, were we in for a surprise. As it turns out, it's the highest incorporated town in North America. No wonder we kept getting these horrible, horrible headaches. Luckily, we were able to find these oxygen shots, which really helped out. However, once we left the town to go to nearby ones and ski, everything was fine.
So on our way, we decided to bring you to the town of Frisco. It looks beautiful.
Every year for Martin Luther King Jr. weekend, we go to San Francisco, but this year we went to Frisco.
Frisco is such a sweet little town. We thought we were in the Swiss Alps.
Okay, we're slowly but surely making our way back to Denver so we can take a plane back to Chicago. And I'm saying slowly because our car is not doing very well in the snow.
Yeah, who'd have thunk that a sports convertible wouldn't do well in the snow?
Hey all you wanderers out there, thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out where Rebecca bound to next. And remember, he was number one!